Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I am here with a new video in which I will tell you about the secure folder in your device Xiaomi 12X. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move towards our today's video. In this video, I will explain you about the secure folder, or you can say the hidden folder, in which you can hide your photos and videos from the gallery in your device Xiaomi 12X. Just watch complete video and follow the steps and you will learn how you can hide your photos and videos into a secret folder in your device Xiaomi 12X. Let's watch the video.